Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the best foods to eat for promoting healthy hair growth. While there isn't a magical food that guarantees luscious locks, a balanced diet rich in certain nutrients can definitely support the health of your hair. So, let's dive into the details. Before we delve into the topic of the best foods for promoting hair growth, let's take a moment to understand why we may experience hair loss. Hair loss is a common concern for many people and can be attributed to various factors. One of the primary causes of hair loss is genetics. If you have a family history of hair loss, you may be more prone to experiencing it yourself. Hormonal changes can also contribute to hair loss, particularly in cases such as pregnancy, childbirth, or hormonal imbalances. Nutritional deficiencies can also play a significant role in hair loss. When our bodies don't receive adequate amounts of essential nutrients, such as protein, iron, vitamins, and minerals, it can impact the health and growth of our hair follicles. Stress is another factor that can contribute to hair loss. During times of high stress, the body may divert resources away from non-essential functions like hair growth, leading to temporary hair shedding or thinning. Certain medical conditions, such as thyroid disorders, autoimmune conditions, and scalp conditions like alopecia areata, can also cause hair loss. While we may not have control over all the factors that contribute to hair loss, we can certainly take steps to support our hair health through a balanced diet. By incorporating specific nutrients into our meals, we can provide our hair with the necessary building blocks for optimal growth. These nutrients include protein, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins A, C, and E, biotin, and zinc. So, in the next part of this video, we'll explore the best foods that are rich in these hair-nourishing nutrients. By incorporating them into your diet, you can promote healthier hair growth and potentially reduce the risk of hair loss. Remember, maintaining a healthy diet alone may not completely solve hair loss issues caused by underlying medical conditions or genetic factors. It's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a dermatologist if you have concerns about hair loss. Now, let's move on to the exciting part and discover the best foods for promoting optimal hair growth. Protein. The first nutrient on our list is protein. Since hair is primarily composed of a protein called keratin, it's essential to consume an adequate amount of protein for healthy hair growth. Include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef in your diet. Fish like salmon and tuna are also great options as they are not only rich in protein but also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and support hair follicles. If you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, include protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, and nuts like almonds and walnuts. Iron. Next up is iron, which plays a crucial role in preventing hair loss. Iron deficiency can lead to weakened hair follicles and increased shedding. To ensure you're getting enough iron, incorporate iron-rich foods into your meals. You can find heme iron, which comes from animal sources, in foods like red meat, poultry, and seafood such as clams and oysters. Non-heme iron, derived from plant sources, can be found in spinach, kale, lentils, beans, tofu, and fortified cereals. To enhance iron absorption, pair these foods with vitamin C-rich options, such as citrus fruits. Omega-3 fatty acids. Now let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats that promote a healthy scalp and nourish hair follicles. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines in your diet. These fish not only provide omega-3s but also offer other beneficial nutrients. Plant-based sources of omega-3s include chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Incorporating these foods into your meals can contribute to overall hair health. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, is our next nutrient for healthy hair growth. It aids in the production of collagen, the protein that provides structure to the hair. Ensure you're getting enough vitamin C by including citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits in your diet. Strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, especially red and yellow ones, and broccoli are also excellent sources of vitamin C. Biotin. Biotin, or vitamin B7, is known for its role in promoting healthy hair growth. It assists in the production of keratin, the protein that makes up the hair. Include biotin-rich foods in your diet such as eggs, particularly the yolks, almonds, sweet potatoes, avocados, and salmon. However, it's important to note that biotin deficiencies are rare unless you have an underlying condition or are on specific medications. Zinc. Zinc is essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. It plays a role in DNA and protein synthesis, which are crucial for the function of hair follicles. You can find zinc in oysters, beef, poultry, pumpkin seeds, lentils, and fortified cereals. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help ensure adequate zinc intake for optimal hair health. Vitamins A and E. Lastly, we have vitamins A and E, which are vital for a healthy scalp and hair growth. Vitamin A helps in the production of sebum, the natural oil that moisturizes the scalp. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, and liver are excellent sources of vitamin A. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting the hair follicles from oxidative stress. You can find vitamin E in foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. Remember, while these nutrients can support hair health, it's important to maintain good hair care practices and address any underlying health conditions that may affect hair growth. Focus on incorporating a variety of these nutrient-rich foods into your balanced diet for the best results. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.